Ako ginangginan ko, ayaw ka kuhan, na mag-checkpoint, don't forget to advise. Sir, hinahinay lang sir ha. Aron makaabot sa tuwa. What is the purpose of that? Para magpakusog na siya, mag-replace na siya, he can remember the advice of the police during the checkpoint na, uy, i-advisean na ko sa police. Okay, so to the motorist, okay, just be slow because slow is safe, unsafe is fast. Okay, ayaw pagdali para dili ka madugay. That is. And then, the life you save may be wrong. Okay, naatay mga pamilya nga nagpaabot. We have families that are waiting for us to arrive safe, sound, and healthy. Do not let your recklessness ruin and jeopardize that thinking of your respective family.